What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Today is October 17th. It's a Tuesday, 2023. So I picked these wheels up off of Facebook. So these wheels are model 0R or OR003. They're 17 by 9s. They're 0 degree offset. They're a 6x139.7 for the lug nuts, which is also known as a 6x5.5. And these are bronze plus black lip. These are actually classified as fuel Covert D696s. That's what these guys look like. They look really, really good. I do like the bronze. That was why I picked them up. You can see that they're bronze. They have this gold metal flake in them, which is actually pretty cool. Here's the caps. They're so a 6x139.7 around. So I'm going to be taking these tomorrow to get installed on Ruby, the Salsa Red 2007 4th gen with the 4.7 liter V8. You guys let me know what you guys think. They're actually a little bit darker in person than the camera is showing. They're actually quite a bit darker. So they're a nice dark bronze. They have this this double wide lip right here. I think Fuel calls it a sure lip to stop the bead from coming off. And it's got a lip on the inside too. These wheels are really, really nice. I like them. I got all 5 of these wheels for 900 bucks. I got them off Facebook Marketplace. Gentleman that sold them to me is Michael. We give him a shout out. He works at DM Automotive, or Auto Sales, sorry, DM Auto Sales in Mesa area. And want to give him a shout out because, you know, he was really nice. He let me take one of the, he had one already out of the box. He let me actually take my wheel off in the small little dealership. He let me take my wheel off. He handed me one of these. He let me go put it on to make sure it wouldn't interfere with my upper control arm or anything like that. So these are a little bit wider than the Toyota wheels. So the Toyota factory sport wheels that are on the truck are a 17 by 7.5 wide, and these are a 17 round by 9 inch wide. So if I measure them real quick. So they are, from the outside edge of both lips, they are 10 inches. But if you go off of the bead section, the bead section is 9. So inside of the bead where the tire sits is 9. The all outside dimension total is 10. So, and they are 17s. Let me fix my measuring tape. Here we go. So they are actually on the outside edge. They are 18.5. The outside edge, but circumference wise they're 17. So I could take you guys outside real quick, show you guys the truck that they're going on and everything. So here's Ruby right here, the 2007 Salsa Red with the gold metallic flake. So these wheels right here are what's going to be taken off. These are a 17 by 7.5. So if I measure this wheel comes out to about 19, you know, horizontal. But it's actually a circumference of 17. So, and you have to go off of not the outside edge, but you have to go off of the actual inside edge of where the lip of the tire goes. So, the outside lip is always going to be larger because this is the bead section. So if you go off of, say, one of these spokes right here, it's going to show true 17 off the spokes because that's what they're measuring, is the inside of the wheel. So these are going to come off the truck. I'm just going to put them in storage, and those fuel coverts are going to go on. So I think they're going to look good on this truck because it's going to be red and bronze and black, and the black is going to tie in the black lip of the wheels. Is going to tie in the black of the grill. The bronze is going to have a nice looking standout. It's gonna tie in the bumper guard until I get a full size set of heavy duty off-road bumpers. This is not going to stay on here permanently. This ram guard, it's just temporary. And then, it's going to tie in the roof rack. The roof rack is black and silver, and the steps right now are black and silver. These are all going to disappear, though. I'm going to be putting rock sliders on. I'm going to be putting a Sherpa roof rack on, and I'm going to get black with silver for the roof rack. There you guys can see. So those steps are coming off eventually. I have a body lift that I need to order for this truck to get it a little bit higher. And I got to do some modification after the body lift is installed to make sure that the radiator is dropped to the right section and the fan shroud and the fan is in the right position. And then gonna be getting a suspension lift. So just wanted to show you guys what's going on. So here's one last quick look at the wheels. I'm just putting those 265, 65, 17 Michelin Defender LTX mud and snow tires back on it because those tires are brand new. Once those tires are worn down and I need to replace them, I'll be putting on some off-road tires, probably some Nito Trail Grapplers or Nito Ridge Grapplers, haven't decided yet, are going to be going on these wheels. I like them. No, these do not have the fuel logo in one of the spokes. So I understand that they're probably knockoffs. It's not a big deal. $900 versus $3,000. I'll take that any day. I'm on a budget when it comes to, aftermarket accessories. Just it is what it is, guys. I think they look good. They look identical to the ones on Discount Tire. And the ones on Discount Tire, I'll have to write in the description for you guys. If you guys want to check these out through Discount Tire, they're like $5.69 a wheel. And these are 0 degree offset, where the other ones are a -12 on Discount Tire. The cap's a little bit different. It's got the big F, the old style fuel logo, where the new ones are embossed, if I remember correctly, on the cap. It's actually written into the cap. Other than that, they're identical. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.